We're just about to leave, and it was an amazing experience, a good night. So now we're off to Halmstad, which is going to be awesome. Hey, and we stayed in there. It was great. Their house is amazing, by the way. And there they go. Hey, hey! Tack för eftermiddag!
Burger, you don't want any dip sauce, do you?
No. So we've been in Halmstad for like 5 minutes, and we stopped at Max, and now we're trying to order burgers. Sarah's getting dipping sauce.
Do you want any mozzarella sticks or?
No, I'm good.
Rings
I'm
or
good.
anything?
I just want the chips and the thick shake and a burger.
No! No! How did that happen? And there we go. No, I don't want that. That's it?
That's it. What's the plan?
Anywhere in Australia, the food chain does halloumi burgers.
They're finally doing like the what's it called?
Chicken?
Gourmet chicken. They're finally doing gourmet stuff, but it's great here. All the food, Max is great. I love Max. So what's our plan for today?
I don't know.
Relax in Halmstad. And eat, see Sophia, check into the hotel, go to the movies.
Go and have plank first, right?
Go to Plank, find a Plank restaurant. But I'm excited. Has chips.
Good.
Bra. Hello. Sarah, you think it's raining?
Yep.
What makes you think that idea? Cats and dogs coming from the sky? Yep. Feel water in my eye. Oh. Good. Welcome to Sweden.
Yeah. They're really not.
I wouldn't get them.
I had to try them.
It's actually not as bad as I thought. Oh, now comes the wind and the bitiness.
Yeah, no, it's really.
So we've been in the shopping
here.
mall for about an hour and a half, and we got a Wayne's coffee, and we shopped, did some shoes. Now we're gonna go into town, have fika.
Yep.
And figure out where we're staying, where we're gonna park the car, because we know where we're staying, we just don't know where we're parking the car.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's cold, wet, windy, and I'm full. It's been a good morning.
We had good food today.
Yeah, we did. We had lots of food today.
We needed it. Let's get some energy.
I can't drink coffee.
I know you can't.
And yeah, good. Halmstad.
Halmstad, here we are.
We're home. Home.
It's as miserable as I remember it in autumn.
It's as amazing as I still remember it. Cold, wet, and windy. My little bear. Hey.
Hey babe, where are we?
Halmstad. I just saw the trade centre for the
behind
first
you.
time. I can't believe, I love this place. I'm so happy we're here. Everything is amazing. Everything. I love it.
And where are we going now?
We're going into the centre of town, and we're going to have the fika, and we're going to go for a wander around, see everything, have some fun. I just can't believe it. Everything is so cool. We're going to drive straight past our home.
Yep.
Our old home.
angle.
I can see our old blood. There's our old unit. I see it. Oh my god.
I guess so.
We're going straight. My wife is back.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Hi, Muffy! Are you in your favorite bucket? Hi, gorgeous! Oh, look at him. He's like, where are they? Oh, so cute.
Oh, there. Alright, well, we're gonna bail so we get to the unit.
He's getting so big.
Alright, hey, door.
Hello.
Hello.
It's cute. Alright. So we're getting ready to go into our hotel, but it's just pissing down rain. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, wet, 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 wet. Dripping wet, wet, wet. To the hotel. Lock's gone, big guy.
Yeah.
Locked now. Wow, it's nice. Cool. We have slippers.
Yeah.
Oh. We could see Nissan.
Yeah.
Holy crap, it's running quick.
Yeah, it's been raining a bit.
It's nice.
You see the rotunda?
Yeah, well, I used to stand up there heaps and take pictures.
Yeah.
This is cool, man. I like it.
Good room, actually.
It's a nice room. I'm impressed. Alright, sweet. Let's take a wee and get ready and go. Nice, nice, nice. I'm impressed. For an extra $20, sure. Alright, hey door.